In this video, we're going to talk about molarity and go over a few molarity practice problems so that you feel comfortable calculating molarity on your exams or on your homework. So molarity is an important way of expressing concentration in chemistry. Molarity is also known as moles over liter, where molarity equals 1 mole per 1 liter of solution. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to calculate molar mass or calculate moles from grams or grams from moles, I highly recommend you check out that molar mass video before you try to watch this video or try these problems. It's important to know how to calculate molar mass and how to convert grams to moles moving forward. So problem 1 says that what is the molarity? They're asking what is the molarity of a solution that was prepared by dissolving 14.2 grams of sodium nitrate with a molar mass of 85 grams per mole and enough water to make 350 milliliters of solution. Like I said previously, molarity needs to be in moles per liter. So to get from 14.2 grams of sodium nitrate to moles, we'll go ahead and take 14.2 grams times the molar mass, which is 1 mole over 85.0 grams. After calculating that out, you'll see that 14.2 grams is equal to 0.17 moles. Now the second part says, in enough water to make 350 milliliters of solution. Well, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So 350 milliliters is equal to 0.350 liters. Now that we have our sodium nitrate in moles and we have our milliliters and liters, we just have to divide the moles by liters to get the molarity of the solution. 0.17 mole divided by 0.350 liters. This will equal about 0.477 molar. The second question wants to know the molarity of the solution by dissolving 82 grams of calcium chloride in enough water to make 812 milliliters of solution. So we have 82 grams of calcium chloride. We need that in moles, so we'll go ahead and multiply that by the molar mass. This equals 0.74 moles. Now 812 milliliters is equal to 0.812 liters. Now that we have moles and liters, we just divide. So 0.74 divided by 0.812 will give us 0.909 moles per liter. The next question is asking the molarity of a solution that contains 5.5 grams of hydrochloric acid dissolved in enough water to make 250 milliliters of solution. So we have 5.5 grams of HCl. We're going to multiply that by the molar mass, which is 36.5 grams per 1 mole. And remember, when you're doing this, stoichiometry or multiplication, division, etc., you want to make sure that your units cancel out. So we know that we have to divide by 36.5 to get rid of the grams, so all we're left with is mole. Solving this, we find that it is 0.15 moles. The 0.15 mole is dissolved in enough water to make 250 milliliters of solution. So we have 250 milliliters of solution. But we need the milliliters and liters. So we're going to go ahead and multiply this by 1,000 milliliters. The milliliters will cancel out. Now we're left with moles and liters. And this will equal 0.60 moles per liter, or molarity. The final example I have for this video is how many grams of sodium bromide would be needed to prepare 700 milliliters of 0.230 molar NaBr. This problem is a little bit different, but it's the same concepts as we were doing previously. So instead of asking the molarity, it wants to know how many grams of sodium bromide are needed to make a 0.230 molar solution. To start this problem, we know that 0.230 molarity is 0.23 mole per 1 liter. We have 700 milliliters, or we want to prepare a solution that's 700 milliliters. So we're going to go ahead and multiply this by 1 liter, is equal to 1,000 milliliters. And we have 700 milliliters total. Our liters will cancel here, and our milliliters will cancel here. We now know, after using this and calculating this out, that it will be 0.161 moles. Like I said, the liters cancel here, the milliliters cancel there, and we're left with mole. Now the problem is asking us how many grams of sodium bromide are there. Well, we know the moles and we have the molar mass, so now we can calculate the amount in grams. 0.161 mole times 1 mole is equal to 102.9 grams of sodium bromide. Our moles will cancel out and we're left with grams. After plugging this into your calculator, you'll find that it is 16.6 grams. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.